Look at this, you guys. This sheepskin rug here, it's silhouetted so you can't see it very well. Let's step into the light a bit more. Can add a touch of glamour to your space, even if you live in a shoddy old apartment with old furniture.
I use mine to throw over the mid-century modern chairs in my space, but you could use it on a sofa or bed, under a table, or on the floor, or on a larger rug, too. The plush, fluffy texture of this thing is so luxe. This isn't a thin skin. It feels like stepping onto a cloud. It adds a layer of comfort wherever you decide to put it. Absolutely luxurious.
You could use it as a soft landing spot when you crawl out of bed in the morning. I think if you're looking for a mid-century modern look, this fur rug here, that also can obviously be used as a chair throw, is the way to go. I think this looks great. It's cozy, warm, approachable. Love this thing.
Because it's natural sheepskin, it has a bit of resilience and airflow that synthetics just can't match. It feels comfortable year-round, not sticky in heat or warm in cooler months. That makes it versatile for living rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, even office corners where you want a softer vibe. If you want to clean this piece, and it's getting to the point where I should, you can machine wash it, but only with the right detergent, and caveat emptor, the skin could harden, so take care. Ultimately, professional cleaning might be the best, but either way, and very fortunately, you'll unlikely have to clean it often. A good vacuum and brush will get out most of the surface dirt. I'm thinking of getting another. Recommend.